I won't ask you, Minister, because we've already asked some of the generals, but I think 30 days is a very short time, to shut down something of that nature without putting in place plans. But I think your response would probably be that it's operational. But I do want to say that is the basis, I believe, of you being accused of defeating the ends of justice. Because to say in 30 days, with all of these dockets in place, investigations undergoing, end of January, this thing must be shut down. I don't know if you want to make a comment on that, Minister?
I do want to make a comment. The directive didn't have anything to do with dockets. Dockets were not part of the directive. In the preliminary report, in the final report, or discussions thereof, then the issue of dockets would have come in, and then the management comes and say, this is how we would then manage dockets. Common sense tells you that if there would have been a case or cases in court, the directive was not saying withdraw those cases just because you are closing. No, it doesn't. If you were chasing after a particular criminal, it didn't mean that. But as another example, you wouldn't. There were officers from other provinces. It also didn't mean that, or it wouldn't have meant that you tell them pack and go and just like that, because ordinarily, in terms of simple logic, that would not have been literally practical. But there are many instances where the executive would take a decision. Maybe, let's just say, not in a hasty fashion as this one may look like. But as the executive, you do say, let's do this in 6 months, let's do this in 3 months. If you're an executive and you don't do that, I would say, I wish you good luck.